Hello friend, welcome to Free Course AS. So today I'm going to tell about the courses which is available on Google Cloud platform. So there are different type of courses which are divided into different modules which are they are available on the Google Cloud platform. The courses is basically based on different business professionals, compute and machine learning and big data. This course is divided in module and you have to complete these courses in module. I will just give the link in the description, and by the link you will reach on this Google Cloud platform, and you first sign up or sign in, and then after signing in you will reach to this particular platform and you will see a different type of module. So first you will have to complete the GCP Google Cloud platform for business professional wala module, and then you will GCP compute, and then GCP storage database, and step by step you will complete all the modules, and then at the end you will complete the assignment of every single module. The one thing that you have to remember in this particular course, that the you have to get 80%, minimum 80% or more than 80% in this particular modules for getting the certification. It is basically the free course certification modules which will based on business professional, compute and different types of data computing techniques. As you know, machine learning and big data is a major part which is playing major role in our technological development in this time, in present time, and also in future. So, and there are different module divided, and you have to complete this module, and after completing this module you will get the certificate. As you know, this is Google Cloud platform certification, so which is very useful for you. The courses is the evolution of cloud technology to foster business innovation with cloud, and introduction to compute engine, app engine, cloud function, Firebase. Basically the cloud SQL is cloud SQL, cloud storage. These techniques are just focused on Google Cloud database, and this certification is also based on Google Cloud database. Big data and machine learning is also playing major role in today's technology, and this course certification is helpful for you. Google is basically a web search company which is very renowned. I think you all know about it, and yeah, this course will be very helpful for you, and you have just to score 80% or above in these all modules, and after scoring this you will get the certificate. You have to read every single assignment for this course. So I just open this particular page of Google Cloud platform certification, this business professional page, and in this page you will get on to the first slide, that is the evolution of cloud technology. You will have to read and restructure all the course. You will have to occupy knowledge from this particular page, from every single video that is available on the page, and all the assignments and PDFs that is available on the page, and you will go step by step to completing of this course. And after that, when you complete this all complete this all above page, and there will be a test for your knowledge. Sorry for that inconvenient. Test for your knowledge, and then you will complete the certification, and then you will submit, and step by step you will go to the module second, then module third, and the certification will be completed, and you will get the free certificate. And listen, the certificate is not important. You will get the certificate at the end. That is the thing, but the knowledge which you are getting from this course is more important. So complete all the assignments, complete all the videos, modules, all the PDFs that is available on the course, all the website and links that is available on the course. This is very good course for your future skill development, which is there is a corona time, so this course is also good for you. I have gotten the certificate from this particular Google Cloud platform, and this is my certificate. This is just based on my name, Free Course AS, and yeah, you will get this type of certification, and just enjoy the course. And if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, all the things that you want, and please stay safe, stay home, and thank you very much.